Believe me when I tell you that there is practically no straight way to you getting monetized. Like, there is no defined way that you can actually get yourself quick to monetization or quick growth here on YouTube. It's all about you putting effort daily, consistently, on different angles, like trying every means possible. Okay, it involves you working on your video. Like every video, for each video you're uploading, make sure to put extra effort compared to the previous one. Your sitting position, your filming setup, try new things on every of your video. There are so many things you need to work on, okay, because one thing that can actually attract people to you is your creativity and how you present yourself. I'm saying this based on what I have seen here on YouTube. The people that you visit their channel, they're not doing anything really serious. All they do is showcase beauty, like they show themselves looking beautiful, and people actually love that, and they tend to click and subscribe to them. They go as far as watching them more than those people will keep on sitting down talking. Like, it's all about what captures their fancy. Okay, so it is very important that in every of your video, make sure to improve at least on one thing. Okay, now when it comes to video, in a previous video I tried to show you guys how you can film your video from start to finish. Now I'm going to give you a brief of it again on this one. We discuss based on pre-stage and post-stage. Now in the pre-stage, this is a stage where you do your research. There are so many things you do research on, like on what you're about to discuss, the content of your content, as well as the working title, that is titles that are clickable, as well as good catchy thumbnails that people find fancy. These things are all things you need to research on. They are pre-things you do before you actually film a video. Okay, so if you have been filming your video and you have not been getting results, one of these things might actually be the problem. One, the title is not giving, or it's not giving enough. Two, your thumbnail is not catchy, it's not giving the right vibe, it's not giving the right information. Three, probably YouTube is yet to push out your video. Maybe there are some settings you didn't put in place, or maybe it's just not yet your time. But in all this, don't panic. There is actually time for everyone right here on YouTube. You just need to take your time. Just make sure to improve on every of your video. What you did today, in the next one, try to add one or two. Like, always find a way to do things differently. That is how you grow, okay? And on your own time, definitely YouTube will push up your videos. So if you have not been following this pattern while creating your video, you can as well try it in 2026. By the end of this year, come and tell me how far. Come and show me your results on your channel, okay? So firstly, you need to do a kind of pre-research. So you have to go and check out for the best title that has been working or that is working, okay? Like, there is no video you're about to create now that someone else has not created. Maybe your own may have one or two different, yeah, but if you check, someone else has actually put out that video. Okay, now the next thing is for you to check as well thumbnails that are clickable, that will guide you creating your own thumbnail. Okay, it is very important that you pay attention to these little things. These are little things you should do, and they matter a lot. And the next thing you should research is, what are the trending tags? Like, what tags should you use that will make, if someone should impute that tag, impute those words, they will be able to see your video. Okay, and as well, pray that YouTube should push out your videos. All right, so these are the pre-stage before the actual stage. Now the actual stage is when you have to create your video, create your thumbnail, like get everything ready. And the post stage is when you have to post the video. Okay, putting up all this stage together step by step. The first step is for you to first of all do research on whatever kind of content you want to create. Now before you create a particular video, try finding out if that video is actually doing well. Check out, see what's going on, check their titles, like which title is actually doing well, what's the title that people are fancying, what's the thumbnail that is actually trending. Check out on that particular video, and as well check out to see those keywords that appear during your search. They will aid you to actually kind of create your own with something similar. This can actually help your video to pop up alongside with other ones, those ones that you see that are doing well. Okay, so check out for their titles, their thumbnail, the keywords they have right there during the search, like when you were imputing the words on the YouTube platform. Okay, so these are the first step you need to take. Now you can use both the title you've gotten, the thumbnail, to actually create more scene in your head and add to your own video. Okay, now the second thing is filming, how you do your video, how do you film your video? I have a video where I explain step by step how you can actually film your video, the positioning, everything you need, the settings. Okay, now when you are filming your video, number one thing I usually say is that you should position your phone like this. If you are creating for YouTube and it is a long form video, your phone should be positioned like this. This is how you should be positioned, and you should try filming with your back camera and not the front camera, because the lens of the back camera looks more beautiful and clear compared to the front camera. Now the next thing you need to do is to wipe off the dirt that could actually be resting here, so that your camera can capture the best image it can. Okay, so that's the second thing you need to do while you are filming. Then know your sitting position, know the best way to dress to look attractive, make sure your background is put together. Okay, and the ratio for you to film your YouTube video is 16:9. You go to the setting, check for 16:9 ratio. Don't try to film with the full HD. No, it is not recommended by YouTube. Then for short, you should position your phone like this. This is the positioning for short. Then you change your ratio to 9:16 and you are good to go. Okay, so that is how you should film. Make sure to sit properly. Don't sit too high, don't sit too low. Just make sure to sit normal and pretty. Okay, now during filming, make sure to talk with confidence. You are actually talking to your camera. Now put in that confidence and make sure to add smiles to it. That smile will kind of boost your confidence. At any point you think you're not doing the best, just remember that you are actually talking to the camera and you are just feeling yourself. You are having fun. Don't see it like you're trying to be the best or you're trying to give out the best. Just put yourself together. Be calm. Always call your smile your confidence. Like, make sure to sit pretty and wear a confident smile. That's everything. The real thing some of us don't even know, there are people who actually watch you because of maybe how you look, the way you talk, the way you smile, like everything, your body gesture. There are people that are just there to watch you not because you have the best content, but because the way you carry yourself, the way you present it. So steeze is the new content strategy. Okay, so if you're filming here, make sure to maintain steeze. All right, now to the proper thing. Now when you are done filming and it's time to upload, I'm going to be walking you through how you can upload your video step by step. Uploading a video takes this step one. Once you go to the YouTube platform, the YouTube studio, I always upload with the YouTube studio. So you go to the YouTube studio, you're going to see a signed button marked cross. That is where you're going to upload from. Then when you are done uploading, you will see space to add your title. You will see space to actually show if you want the video to show now, like right now or later, that is schedule or public. Okay, and other things I'm going to show you during the walkthrough. Now, after that, after you are done giving your title, you will add your description, like tell people what your video is about, why they should watch the video. And after that, you should go see the tags that you need to add, like the words that are related to your video. If anyone should type it in, probably YouTube will recommend your video to that person, or your video will pop out on the YouTube platform. Okay, so that's the hashtag. Then you will see space for you to actually indicate if the content is actually made for kids or for adults, or like it is kid or not kids. You just make sure to put in which one it is for. Next thing is for you to actually check your content type. Is it how-to content? Is it educational content? You're going to see all that there. Then when you are done doing that, you go put your thumbnail, save, and you are good to go. And the next thing you need to do is go and pray to your God. Okay, so for more clarity, let's go do practical. There are two ways you can actually upload your video. You can upload directly using the YouTube app by clicking on the app. Once you click on this YouTube app, you're going to see this very plus sign right here. Okay, this is what you're going to see firstly, and just tap on it. Once you tap on it, it's going to bring it to your gallery to pick a particular video you want to upload. I'll just tap on one of the video. Once you tap on it, you'll see option to actually edit. If you have anything you want to remove, like want to do extra job, if none, just click on next. Once you click on next, it's going to take you to this stage where you have to input all the information you want to input: your thumbnail, the title of the content, the description, the visibility, select audience, add description, location, add to playlist. Okay, like everything that you want to add, you add it right here. And once you are done, just click on upload and you just have it up on the YouTube platform. Okay, but for me, I don't normally use this pattern. I love using the YouTube studio to upload my video. And if you have been uploading directly with the YouTube app, I would advise you to try using the YouTube Studio. It might be one of the reasons why you're actually not getting views on your video. Okay, another thing I'll advise is when uploading your video, make sure to schedule it, in the sense that if you have a video you want to post for tomorrow, you can actually post that video, like upload the video today, schedule it for tomorrow. It actually helps you gain views because it gives YouTube enough time to actually analyze your content and know the audience, the right audience to push it to. Okay, so let's go straight using the YouTube app. So I click on it. It's going to take me to this very place. So I'm just going to tap on this plus button right here. Once you tap there, it's going to take you to your gallery. Pick what you want. You just pick on the video. Once you click on the video, you will have the option to add the video title, your thumbnail, the type of content. Is it for kids? Is it for adults? The description of the content, your location, playlist, like everything. So let's see. So right here, just type what your video is about on the title. Whatever the video is about, just type it. Okay, when you are done, you go to this private. Okay, now for this private, I always schedule my video. Okay, I schedule a day before or some hours before. So tap on schedule. Let me assuming this video will be up for 2nd of February and today currently is the 1st. The time will always show you the next day from the day you actually uploading. So it's showing me 2nd of February. Probably I'm doing this on the 1st of February. So I'm just going to go and tap on that date. Okay, and I'm just going to click OK, which means I accept the date, and it's going to give me option to choose my time. I want it to be up by 6. I'm just going to click on the 6th, that is 18, and click OK, and it is saved. Now the next thing I'll do is to go back from here and maybe add description. Click on description, then tell a little about what that video contains, and please make sure to add some of the keywords or all the keywords you have written in your title as well. Have it here, write it down, make sure to include them in your description. Okay, now the next thing is to go and change the location, like put in the location where you are. Please, if you're in Nigeria, don't try to put maybe US or UK. Put where you are. Just choose your exact location. If it's Nigeria, put it there. Okay, now the next thing is to add playlist. If you don't have a playlist, I will advise you to create one. So I'm just going to add. Okay, I just go pick the YouTube growth tips because this video is actually for YouTube growth. So I'll tap on that one. All right, then I'll click on done. I'll go to the next one, which is the altered content category, tax, licensing, and embedding. That's the next place I want to go because my collaboration, comment, likes, mixing are intact. This one is one that you can set permanently, and it will always be there unless when you want to change it. So I'm just going to go and tap on this one. Now I have the option of altered content. I click on the altered content. You read what is there. Please read this carefully before you choose. Okay, now it says do any of the following describe your content. Now which of these actually describe your content is the question. Does your content make a real person appear to say or do something that they didn't say or do? Or alters footage of a real event or place? Generate a realistic looking scene that didn't actually occur? So you will know what your content is like. You click. If it's not, you can say no. Okay, so the next thing is the select category. You click on select category. The content you created, which category is it? Is it on educational niche? Is it comedy? Is it car and vehicles? Is it entertainment? Is it okay? You know what it is. So my content is how to. Okay, I'll just tap on the how to. Then the next thing is to go to add tags. I'll click on add tags, then I'll click on hash. This is the hashtag you always start with. Then start imputing all the words that is actually related to your title. The words that you actually added to your title, try to add them. Then if there are any other trending words that you know that is related, that will actually help your video get visibility, that once people type it in, your video can actually pop out, just type it in. Okay, so just click hashtag whatever you want to write. You click on this button, it will take you to the next one. You add hashtag again, you type whatever you want to tap. Okay, once you are done, you add this just like that. And when you are done adding all the hashtags you want to add, and mind you, I'll advise, and I always advise, don't use too much of hashtags, just a few is okay. But the few should contain the wordings in your description as well as your title, okay, so that it can actually pop in the search button. That's the main essence. All right, now after this, we just click here to go back. Okay, now you are done with everything. Just come to this up here where you can see this arrow, tap on it to actually impute your thumbnail. When you click on it, it's going to show you this option to actually select the file. Just go and pick your thumbnail. Once you click on the thumbnail, you're going to see it appear right there. Okay, you can see now the thumbnail is now here. You click on done. Once you click on done, it's going to give you this option to upload, and once you tap on the upload button, you will see, okay, we haven't selected this, but the option is here for you to select. It's the kids or adult. So my audience are actually not meant for kids, so I'll just tap on not meant for kids, then I'll go back and tap on upload. But this one thing I want to say, for every of these that is required of you to fill, please do not skip any. Okay, so these are just all you need to do. Automatically we are uploading this video, so look at it now, you will see that it's uploading. Okay, and once it's done uploading, it's just going to stay there till when it's time for it to go up on the YouTube platform. You will see it right there. If you're seeing me for the first time, hello sweetie, how are you doing? Welcome to the channel. Right here we are all about YouTube growth, YouTube management, YouTube days. It's like everything it takes for you to be here on YouTube and succeed. That is what we discuss here. Okay, you can actually join me simply by subscribing, and when you do, turn your notification bell on to get quick notification whenever I post a new video. Don't forget, you are amazing. If no one has ever told you, I am telling you that you are amazing, and don't ever forget that. Okay, keep staying safe. See you in the next one, and bye for now.